Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making something incredibly delicious. Crispy, cheesy, and absolutely irresistible. Loaded cheese fries. This is one of the most popular American-style snacks. And the best part is you can easily make it at home with simple ingredients. Whether you're watching a movie, hanging out with friends, or just craving comfort food, this recipe is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, let's take a look at what we need. We'll need potatoes or frozen French fries, whichever you prefer. For the cheese, I'm using cheddar and mozzarella for that perfect melt and stretch. You can also add cooked chicken or beef if you want some protein. For toppings, we'll use jalapeños, spring onions, and your favorite sauces like mayonnaise, ketchup, or BBQ sauce. Feel free to customize this based on your taste. If you're using fresh potatoes, start by peeling and cutting them into thin strips. Try to keep them even so they cook evenly. Now soak the cut potatoes in cold water for about 20-30 minutes. This helps remove excess starch and makes the fries crispier. After soaking, dry them properly using a towel. Heat oil in a pan and fry the potatoes in batches. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry them until they turn light golden. Then take them out and let them rest for a few minutes. Now fry them again for that extra crispiness until they become deep golden and crunchy. If you're using frozen fries, just fry them according to the package instructions. Now let's prepare the cheese. Take shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheese in a bowl. You can mix them together for a balanced flavor and texture. Cheddar gives flavor. Mozzarella gives that beautiful stretch. If you want it extra creamy, you can even add a little cream or make a quick cheese sauce. If you're adding chicken or beef, heat a pan and cook it with a little oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. Cook until it's nicely browned and flavorful. This step adds a lot of richness and makes your loaded fries more filling. Now comes the fun part, assembling. Take a serving plate and add a generous layer of hot, crispy fries. Immediately sprinkle your cheese mixture on top so it starts melting from the heat. If needed, place it in the microwave or oven for about 1 to 2 minutes until the cheese fully melts. Now add your cooked chicken or beef on top. Next, add jalapeños for a spicy kick. Then drizzle mayonnaise, ketchup, or BBQ sauce over everything. Finally, sprinkle chopped spring onions for freshness and color. And there you have it. Your loaded cheese fries are ready. Look at that melted cheese, crispy fries, and all those delicious toppings. This is the perfect combination of crunchy, creamy, and spicy flavors. Serve it hot for the best taste. You can also experiment by adding olives, corn, or even extra cheese layers. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's super easy, quick, and perfect for any occasion. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes like this. Let me know in the comments how you like your loaded fries and what toppings you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!